Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Akko X Sailor Moon keyboard. Now this is the version 1 and I'll be leaving a link to both versions in the description below because there is a new version of this keyboard and it's just basically a different Sailor Moon design on the keyboard, but I just preferred version 1. Now this is a TKL keyboard, which means it does not have a numpad. This keyboard also does not have RGB and is not hot swappable, just in case you guys were interested. This keyboard uses USB Type-C and it comes with a detachable cable. Like with all Akko products, the unboxing experience is very nice. Very high quality, the box is super cute. You have Artemis and Luna on the front part of the box. And the box itself, after you take that part off, is black and purple, typical Akko branding. And when you open it up, you get the keyboard covered with the dust cover, Novelty Keycaps, and a switch puller with the pink cable. Now the keyboard itself is very nice. I think Akko makes one of the best pre-built keyboards you can buy on the market, especially for the price that it goes at. The board is made out of an all plastic build, but that doesn't mean the build quality is bad at all. It is very sturdy and it's made with a nice hard plastic. The keyboard also has two levels of elevation that you can use. One that's a slight elevation and one that's a bigger elevation using the feet on the back of the keyboard. Another really nice part about this keyboard is the keycaps themselves. When it comes to the material of the keycaps, they are double shot PBT, so you will not have to worry about shine on the keycaps or them feeling a bit slimy over time because of how much you use them, and they'll still feel very nice for the years to come. Now the one thing I did want to point out that I had a problem with in this keyboard, and it's practically my only complaint with it, is the Novelty Keycaps. Now the Novelty Keycaps, as you can see, are a bit duller when it comes to the color accuracy, and in the pictures on Newegg where I bought it, this was not the case. I saw a review talking about it, but I didn't think it would be this bad. But honestly, the Novelty Keycaps are cute, so I will just give it a pass for that, but I wish they would actually match the keyboard itself. Now when it comes to the stabilizers on this keyboard, Akko basically makes some of the best stabilizers for pre-builts that I've ever used. They're just very nice sounding, they feel very nice, and this keyboard I chose has the Akko pink switches. And a good comparison would be sort of similar to Cherry MX Reds, but these are actually a lot smoother and feel a lot nicer than Cherry MX Reds, which I found to be very surprising because I've never used Akko pinks before. They feel very nice, they sound nice, and are quite smooth for stock switches. I'll be leaving the sound test here so you guys can hear how they sound. Now this keyboard, like I said, has no RGB underglow. It has nothing like that, so there is practically no software for this. You just plug it in and it works right out of the box. I think it's very nice that the cable is pink to go with the keyboard, but like I said, my only complaint is the Novelty Keycaps. They are a different shade of color, which kind of is a letdown, but at the same time, they're still cute and I'll still be using them for this keyboard. Overall, I really like the aesthetic of this keyboard. Let me know what you guys think about this keyboard in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.